Hey friends, if you encounter the error the file name, directory name or volume label syntax is incorrect with the error code 0x8007007b, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, there are a few characters that are not allowed in a name, for example, special characters. Most of the special characters, a few maybe, but most of them are not allowed. Like a comma may be allowed, a hyphen may be allowed, but most others are not allowed. So to be on the safer side, just remove the special characters. The next issue is with the location. So make sure that the path where you're saving exists. If it was removed before saving, then you will not be able to save the file there. And shorten the length because there are certain length restrictions. Obviously, the length cannot be zero. There has to be something written, even if it is one word or one letter or one number, but it should have some length, but the length should be reasonable, not very long, because there are character lengths which are permitted. You cannot type the length of the name beyond that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.